This is Ryder, creator of the Bullet Journal, and today I wanted to answer one of the most common questions that I've been getting about my upcoming book, The Bullet Journal Method, which is, will there be international editions? I've always been frustrated by my inability to contribute to the international bullet journal community. When setting out to write this book, it was important to me to have it translated into as many languages as possible. What made it possible is you. Because of the support of the international community, the Bullet Journal Method will be coming out in over, I can't believe I get to say this, in 20 languages in over 20 countries. That's a surreal thing to be able to say. So before I say anything else, I want to say thank you. In the coming weeks, the book will be available online and in stores in the US, UK, Germany, Italy, and Spain. By the end of this year, 2018, it will be available in an additional 8 countries. I'll be sure to include a full list of where it will be available and when in the details below. The book comes out October 23rd, but is already available for pre-order in the US and UK as of today. I'll also place those links below. By the time you're watching this video, chances are that this book will already be available online and in stores. It's been my incredible privilege to be able to write this book. If you've ever found the Bullet Journal to be useful in your life, I'd ask you to kindly pick up a copy. It would really mean a lot to me. If you found this information valuable, please be sure to like this video. If you have any questions regarding the video, please be sure to leave them in the comments below. If you'd like to know more about Bullet Journal, please go to bulletjournal.com. And if you'd like to follow along in this story, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.